In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can get the Kenny in Roblox. I'm going to show you exactly how right now. So first of all, you want to open up your Roblox on any device. As long as it's updated, you're going to go ahead and go to your avatar. To do that, you're going to click on the bottom middle button right there, and it should pull up your avatar. Now you're going to go to the marketplace, and you're going to click on search, and now you're going to search up on Kenny South Park. Here's the orange park hood that you're going to go ahead and buy. That you're going to click on buy. And then there's also a few others that you're going to be buying. You're also going to be buying the Kenny shirt. You're going to have to find it. It's going to take some time, but it should work. Should be this one right here. If it's not this one, you can go ahead and just search up Kenny South Park again, and then try to find it through here. So go ahead and find the park face. So park face is also another one. So you're going to go ahead and find one of these that you're going to be using. One of these here, 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 or here. Now guys, make sure to keep watching the video because I'm going to show you how you guys can do the full outfit. Now you're going to keep scrolling when you search up Kenny South Park. And you should find the shirt here soon. There we go. This is going to be the shirt that you're going to be buying. And then these are going to be the pants you're going to be buying. Once you've completed that full outfit, you should have Kenny. So remember, pants, shirt, and then your South Park face. So whichever one here. You can choose one of these ones with the big eyes, the cartoon eyes here. Not that one, but one of these ones. And when you're done that, you're going to click on the orange park hood, and you're officially done. Thank you for watching.